So I'm moving out next month. One problem though. This is what my closet looks like. It's a hot mess, I know. So let the moving diaries begin with trying all of my clothes on, decluttering and organizing, and finally selling some of it. Let's get it.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with my hanging clothes. I think most of these are tank tops. I designated the front part of my closet to be for tank tops, but y'all saw my closet. It was pretty bad and definitely not organized. The first thing here is my denim halter. Iconic Levi's, my favorite wash of denim, absolutely perfect. My boobs look great in it. That's all I need, right? That's all I need. I definitely want to keep all of these basics. This tube top I think is perfect for summer, and I could wear it with something like this or a little skirt. I really like stripes. Has a little peekaboo action going on, but I like how like the bow kind of covers it, so it's like a little bit of a surprise. I don't know. Next I have this denim vest. I actually have another one right here. Do I need to? I think I'm gonna put this in the maybe pile, but this one I'm definitely gonna keep. Okay, so this is a bodysuit. That's why it looks like that, but I don't know. I don't know if it's like super flattering on me. I feel like maybe just not with this hair. Okay, you cannot lie and say that this is not the most iconic tank top to ever exist. Yes. I love the quality and the cut of this, but I think the color is just not, like, I don't know, I just don't reach for it that much, so I think this is the first to go. So I think this top is cute, but like you can see that the collar is just like not sitting where it needs to be. The back right here, like the clasp doesn't do its thing, so I think I'm gonna have to let her go. I also have like a lot of tops that kind of have this like halter, like vest type situation. So okay, this is what I mean when I say like I have like other like halter tops that I like more. Like I like this leather a lot more than the other one, so I feel good with my decision. I feel like this one is giving MILF. It's giving, do you remember like Asian aunties that would only wear like BB? Yeah. Okay, so when I bought this corset, I didn't know my cup size yet, and this is way too big for me, and also like I just don't wear it. I've had it for a while, but I think someone else can wear it more often than I do. I love this one too. I don't know if like animal print is still in or not, but I really love like the cutouts here, and I think the color scheme is like very like neutral, so I don't think it's like too striking that it's animal print. Also, who the fuck cares? If I want to wear it, I'm gonna wear it. Literally still has a tag on it. Like, I'm not gonna wear her. But look at the back. Yeah. This was from when I was like really into wearing children's clothes, and like I think it still looks cute on me, but I feel like I've just outgrown this. But look, it has really cute butterflies and flowers, but I don't know. I just don't think I'll wear it again. I remember there was this thing of people wearing like bathing suit tank tops as like normal tops. I just haven't worn it, and it just, she does not. I need real estate, okay? I need real estate in my closet. She just has to go. Look at this one. Look at like the cute little flower detail that has going on. Absolutely love. I used to wear the hell out of this like last year. I haven't worn it much this year yet, so I think I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile. I'm like weirdly like attached to this top though, so yeah, maybe. I love the colors and the like fabric of this, but I don't know, I just don't reach for it because I don't really feel confident in it, so yeah. Okay, I'm thinking about this one for too long, so I feel like I need to be sure. I need to be sure that I want it, and I'm not sure that I want this, so I think it'll go in the maybe. I was gonna put it like in the no, but I was like, wait, maybe I do want her. Do I already have a tank top that's like this? I do! Why do I have two of these? Okay, so I definitely like this one more because it has a clean hem. This one I think I cut, so I don't know. I don't think I'm like a one shoulder kind of girl. I got this one because I wanted like an elevated basic. Like you can see like all like the like detailing right here. Okay, so for this one, I was trying to go for like that same thing, like an elevated basic, but it doesn't serve on me like how it serves on other people. Okay, so I've worn this top once, and you can see why. Do you see all these strings? Do you know how long it took me to wear this for the first time? I'm done with the first round. I know I didn't get rid of too much, but once we get into like my sweaters and all of that, I feel like I'll get rid of a lot of stuff. I honestly did like a closet clean out like a few months ago, and I mostly like wear this type of stuff, so I kind of kept like what I wear. But don't worry, I'm not gonna keep everything. I remember I wore this shirt to like a park, and there was like a lot of children, and then all like the parents were staring at me, and I was like, just don't read my shirt. Your kids probably can't read anyways, it's fine. Here are all my big t-shirts, and honestly, I don't think I'll be getting rid of too much. These are actually my uniforms whenever I'm just like at home. So this is my ex's. Yeah, he used to work at Trader Joe's. So I know it's probably bad that I kept this because I thought it'd be iconic that I had a Trader Joe's shirt, but I don't know, it's icky to me now, so she can go. Tell me why I only wear these shirts whenever I get my hair dyed, and tell me why I thought it was a good idea to designate 2 white shirts. Like literally, Edith, my hairstylist, has only seen me in these shirts. One of my besties got this for me after I got my boob job. I feel like maybe I would wear this more if I put thumb holes in it because it would add a little bit extra spice. But I don't know, I think it's just it's too cropped. I don't think I would be like wearing this like very comfortably anywhere. I feel like in any occasion that I would like pick this one up, I feel like I would wear this one instead, you know? I love the idea of this top. I love like the layering, everything, the colors, but it just doesn't fit me right, you know? Like, do you see? It's like pretty ill-fitting. Okay, first closet done. Do y'all remember the chokehold that this brandy hoodie had on everyone? Every bitch had this. I love wearing this one whenever I visit my grandma. I just tell her what it says, and it's really sweet. Okay, these are the last bits of my hanging clothes, and it's the dresses, and I'm very excited for this. I have a lot of cute dresses, but I think there's like a lot I also don't wear. I was so excited for this one. It's from Reformation. I think that the sleeves are a little bit too puffed for my taste. I have a few realization bar dresses, and I think from them I prefer the like long dresses like these ones. I don't know, I just feel like a princess, so I think I'm just gonna sell this one. This pile is getting bad. Can you even see it on camera? You can kind of see it. Okay, let me just, okay. This one is so cool. I love wearing it so much. I have these 3 white mini dresses, but I think they definitely each give off very different moods. Like this one's bad bitch, sexy lingerie girl. This one's casual, you know, like I'm just gonna run errands. This one is very princess, like let's go to a picnic, take me to a tea party. Look at the gorgeous detailing like throughout the whole thing. I actually wore this to my college graduation. This one I got because I thought one day I would just be in Hawaii, and like, you know, like when you go to the beach, then after you take a shower and get ready for dinner, like I thought this would be the perfect like occasion to wear that. But that is such like a specific and like just occasion that I don't think will happen anytime soon. So I think I have to get rid of it. Look at these pastel beauties. Another maxi dress. Are we surprised? Absolutely not. Hanging stuff, let's go. Oh my god, okay. I'm embarrassed to show you what is here. This is all the stuff that I'm keeping. Right here is the maybe pile, and honestly I think I'm probably gonna get rid of 90% of it because if I was like hesitant about it, right, like I probably don't even need it. I'm just strangely attached to them, but I must get over it. They're just clothes. And then here is everything that I plan on donating, selling, or just giving away to my friends and family. We're moving on to my bottoms, which are in the drawers under my bed. I have everything in the first drawer laid out right here, so I wish I could say it'd be organized. I wish I'd be like, yeah, these are my skirts, everything. No, y'all saw it. It's bad. I absolutely love the fit of these, and I like doing like the exposed waistband. The like distressing on these jeans are to die for. I love them so much. Whenever I do wear these, I feel like I'm slaying the house down, okay? Okay, so these shorts are part of a set, and I really like the top, but I don't know. These are kind of, I don't know. I feel like it looks kind of weird on my crotch. This midi skirt right here like literally matches with everything. I love wearing it. These pants with a little like waist chain like this, I think is so hot. Even though this denim maxi skirt is pretty hated, I love it so much. I think it's still so cute, guys. Like, open your minds, okay? Can you see Suki licking her asshole? Baby, don't do that. This skirt fits well on the waist, but I think it is just like at an awkward length as a midi skirt. I don't really know what to wear with it, and I feel like I'd just rather wear something else. I don't think I need 2 white maxi skirts, especially given the fact that I have so many maxi dresses. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. I think I've worn her enough to, you know, she lived her life with me, and now she can go to a new person. I have a skirt that's pretty similar to this one, so I think I might do like a showdown once I actually find the other one somewhere in this mess. Here's another black mini skirt, but it's like a bodycon one, and sometimes I just think it's too much. Like sometimes, like I don't want to have to be pulling it down every single time I sit. Just, I don't know. I don't really wear black mini skirts anyways that often, so I think this one can go. These shorts I actually DIY'd. I cut up a pair of jeans, and then I also made the waistband slimmer by putting like a shoelace through the waistband thingy and then just tying it. These trousers are so airy, and I think it'd be really nice for when I like want to try to look a little bit more sophisticated if I'm in that mood. I don't know what possessed me to get this from Brandy, but I don't know, like, doesn't it look so raggedy? At least it does on me. These are boot cut trousers, but I think it's too tight on my thigh. When I'm wearing like pants, they need to be so comfortable because it's just, I don't know. That's why I always usually opt for like really baggy jeans, because I want to feel free. These sweats are so cool, right? Like, see all the detailing right here and everything, but they're just too long. And like whenever I wear them at home, I'm literally trying not to trip, or I'm just dragging my feet, and it's just such a bummer though. These are the perfect like PJ pants. They're the perfect length for me. It's juicy couture, okay? I'm torn. Do I need 2 black sweatpants? I don't think so. I don't think so, especially for someone that doesn't work out. These are seriously the only high-waisted jeans that I like and that I own actually, so I have to keep these. Okay, so this is the rest of my folded clothes finally. I'm so drained right now. I think this is hour 4.5. Okay, I think these jeans are so cool, but I've had them for months and I haven't really worn them out as often as I thought I would, and I think they're way too long. Do you see that? You see that? Y'all, I'm on a parachute pant kick right now, okay? I have so many of these in all the different colors, and I love it. These ones make my butt look real good, I think, okay? But they're just too long, and I think I've worn them enough. I liked these a lot until I got these like cargo pants that are more parachute. As I said before, I love me a parachute pant, so I think I'm gonna stick with these ones instead. I just got this khaki maxi skirt. Look how much Bisley it is. Last thing. Okay, definitely keeping these. I'm gonna collapse. I'm so tired. Now I'm gonna organize and declutter my shoe pile. It's actually so bad. I'm embarrassed, honestly. Why is there a bra in here? Tell me why. I love the idea of these ones, but honestly it annoys me so much whenever I wear shoes like this, when like you're walking and it like slaps your feet, and like I don't know, sometimes my feet be getting sweaty. You know how it is, right? And I feel like it's like squishy and gross. I don't know. I just can't deal with it, which sucks because these are gorgeous shoes.
Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony.
This is my hot mess of a room right now. My brain doesn't work right now. I just can't function.
You are beautiful. Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just
Okay, so I suppose there's a con to having a neat thingy, because now she could open it. Before, like, it used to be so many clothes that like it was hard for her to open, but now every day I wake up to this.
Okay, so it's now 7 and I'm just going to start organizing everything. And look, I got these new hangers. They're like wires. Of course, it looks better for the aesthetic purpose, but also I think it would just take so much less room as well, as you can see here. And I feel like these are just, they're so cheap. You know, like I have stepped on them. This is a broken one right here. Okay, so I ended up having 8 trash bags, and then I forgot that I had all this clothing storage under my bed, and the fact that I forgot about these clothes just means that I don't wear them enough, right? So I'm gonna sort through them. I'm gonna sort through all of these and see what I think is decent enough to sell on Depop. If not, then I'll probably go to Buffalo Exchange, and whatever they don't take, I will donate to Goodwill. So I'm gonna take the next few hours and take Depop photos, do all the pictures. I'm literally gonna take them on my iPad. Don't come for me, it's fine. I just feel like the quality is really good, and then also it would just be easier for me to organize and sort later. This is gonna be a lot, but it's gonna be worth it because I hope that a lot of people will actually wear the clothes that I neglected. Okay, so I have a few orders to ship out from another round of like a Depop drop. So I'm gonna do that here. I only have 3. I have my printer right here, which has literally been a lifesaver. Before, like I used to have a couple small businesses. I used to sell scrunchies. I used to make handmade like necklaces like in high school. It was a cute time. It's been really nice to be able to like have a sticker. So I've been here all morning like trying to list everything, and it's so tedious but honestly really worth it. Everything just went live, and I'm honestly so overwhelmed that y'all like actually wanted to buy stuff from my shop, and I'm so grateful. Okay, so 2 hours and 3 bags later, I made $200. Yeah, I mean, obviously you don't go to Buffalo to make money, but I'm just excited that it will go to a new home and people will appreciate it.
And not be in your closet.
Yeah. Thank you so much for watching today's video. It's the first part of like my moving diaries, so come along on this journey with me. I hope you like this video, and I love you so much. You're so hot and sexy, and I love you again. Bye.